Hi friends, in this video I am going to share you the most effective hair pack which helps in treating grey hair and also restores natural color of your hair. This hair mask is loaded with amino acids which are essential for strengthening hair follicles. On regular usage, this hair pack prevents hair fall and repairs damaged hair. So without delay, let us watch how to prepare this hair mask. Required ingredients: Kalonji seeds, which are also known as Blackseeds, curd, onion, Aloevera gel, and vitamin E oil capsules. Initially, add Kalonji seeds to a pan and turn on the flame. Allow them to heat for 5 minutes by stirring it occasionally. Kalonji seeds are widely known as black seeds. These black seeds are rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which helps in treating hair fall, dandruff and prevents premature graying of hair. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame and allow them to cool down to room temperature. Now add these Kalonji seeds to grinding jar and grind them to form a fine powder. Next major ingredient is onion. Take one onion and cut them into slices. Onions are rich in sulfur content which helps to reduce breakage and thinning of hair. Add cut onions into grinding jar and grind them to form a fine paste. Sulfur, which is active compound in onion, helps in regeneration of hair follicles and promotes new hair growth. Next, take a bowl and add 3 teaspoons of Kalonji seeds powder to it, 2 teaspoons of onion paste and 1 teaspoon of curd to it, and add 1 teaspoon of Aloevera gel, and finally add 1 vitamin E oil capsule to it. Now mix all ingredients till they are well combined and forms a fine pack. Now Kalonji seeds hair pack is ready for use. Now take small quantity and apply onto your hair and scalp by taking out each and every section of your hair. Apply this pack in such a way that it covers entire scalp and your hair. This hair pack is rich in vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin E, which are essential to reverse grey hair and also delays premature graying of hair. This hair pack strengthens your hair follicles from roots and also nourishes your hair. Moreover, this pack has ability to prevent baldness and promotes new hair growth. Once you are done with applying this pack, let it be for 20 to 30 minutes and later rinse your hair with mild shampoo. Repeat this twice or thrice per week for minimum 6 to 8 weeks to find visible results in your hair color and hair growth. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap on bell icon for further notifications.